This is one of the most basic and simple things you can do to make your photos stand out from the rest of the crowd. And once you'll see it, you'll be like, yeah, why didn't I think of that before? Let's check it out. Now, I learned this trick from an Italian photographer once when I was getting a bit better at photography myself. And his idea was that 90 to 95% of the photos are taken like this. Boom. Right up at eye level, you get the shot. Same with your camera. Boom. Right up at eye level, you get the shot. So if you're taking photos that are 90 to 95% what everybody else is doing, then you're getting the same photos that everybody else is getting. So what we want to talk about today is angles. Mixing up your angles. And personally, I love getting down low, as low to the ground as possible. And also, when you take photos from below, you make them look bigger. This is a style often done for males to give that sense of masculinity, and I'm really important. So getting below and just getting down to the ground gives you a different perspective on an object as you're about to take the photo. You can also come from above. Take a photo from up high. And this is a style that's usually used when you're taking photos of females, and it gives a sense of beauty, it accentuates the cheekbones, it just makes people look a lot better. It also clears up any double chin that people might have, so it hides that quite nicely. So there's two angles you can play around with just to get a different perspective on the photo. You can also start taking photos from each side. As you come to the side of an object, you start seeing more items and more depth across your subject. I move my face around, you can see more depth across me. I move my shirt over here, there's more depth there. So by simply coming from the side and moving around with the angles, you're adding more depth and texture to your photos. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Just remember that 90 to 95% of the photos that are taken in the world are done at eye level. Boom, there you get your photo. So if you simply move your camera down or move your camera up or to the side, you're already taking photos from a different angle in comparison to all the other photos that are taken. And that's one step closer to becoming a better photographer. If you enjoy hearing about small little tricks about how you can go out and take better photos, create better videos, please do subscribe to the channel. I want to update these videos as much as I can. Make sure you turn on that notification button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And make sure you play around with those angles. You know, if you're moving down here, you're moving up there, wherever you're going. Play around with those angles, people. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.